Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM21, you will need a few essential tools: a precision screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a vacuum cleaner for any debris. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Place the device on a stable surface and prepare your workspace. Next, using the precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the base of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. This will expose the internal components of your Thermomix, including the locking mechanism. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the soft cloth and vacuum cleaner. This is essential to ensure that the new locking system functions correctly and smoothly. Now, locate the old locking system. It is typically secured with 2 additional screws. Using your precision screwdriver again, remove these screws carefully. If you encounter any resistance, ensure that you are turning the screws in the correct direction and apply gentle pressure. Remember, patience is key when handling delicate components. With the old locking system removed, take your new locking mechanism and align it with the screw holes. Before securing it in place, make sure everything is clean and free of debris. If you need assistance or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as pickup and delivery at your home. Once aligned, secure the new locking system with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it is tightly fastened but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the mechanism. After securing the new locking system, it's time to reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws that hold it in place. Again, take care to tighten these screws firmly but not too tightly. Now, before testing your Thermomix, give it another quick clean to remove any fingerprints or dust accumulated during the process. This will not only make your device look great but ensure it is ready for use. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and perform a quick test to make sure the new locking system is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional help, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. Also, with no calls and no travel required, our service is designed for your convenience. In conclusion, changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM21 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.